a new day, and today I'm gonna make a cake. You know, my mom used to bake a cake for us long time ago when I was a little baby, and I used to see my mom and my sister and my brother doing it. So today I've decided to do it by myself, and I'm here. I bought everything that is needed to bake. And back home we didn't really use oven, but here we use oven, and I just started to do something here. This is eggs and sugar powder. Yes, I'm gonna stir it a little bit longer. 4 eggs. I'm using 4 eggs. It's gonna be really good. Oh, I need to. Okay, so I need to put some flour here. And this is the one that I'm using, soaked all-purpose flour. That's the one I'm using. Okay, I'm using my spoon. Right now it's a little bit heavy, so for me, or my mom, usually she used to put some milk, so I'm gonna put milk here a little bit. It helps somehow to be super good. The beauty of the cake is the texture. This is the reason why I don't like Korean cake, because texture is really, it's too soft and texture is not good. Like there's no meat inside the cake. The beauty of the cake is meat and texture, so that's what I'm looking for. Okay guys, I'm sorry I forgot to tell you what I added here, but there's a flour here, there's baking powder, and now I just put butter and salt, a little bit of also sugar, and I'm gonna add, after some time, I think I'm gonna add vanilla and also lemon, a little bit of lemon. My mom, she always used to put lemon in this, but it's not really lemon, but the peel of the lemon. So I'll peel a little bit off and put it here. It tastes amazing. You need that. It tastes amazing. So just gonna stir this for some time.
Huh?
So like I said, my mom always used the lemon as well, so I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon. It also brings like really good taste of it, and I think she used lemon to remove the taste of eggs in the cake. But we have vanilla and then we have lemon, so it tastes amazing. Oh, I wish you were here to try this. I'm sorry guys, I'll try it for you. Just a little bit of this. Okay, it's pretty much done. Let me try. Man, I can eat this just right now like this. I don't need anything else. Let me add a little bit. That's enough. Yeah, so my mom, she always used to do like this. Some other people, they use butter, but today I'm using Tanzanian recipe we call Blue Band. It's so good. We use this for bread, use this for cake, cookies, something like that, you know, so it's so good. like this. You know why we're using this? So that the bread or the cake may not attach to this thing. Okay. Now we are good to go. Good to go. So no bubbles left. Okay, we'll try now. Don't know how it's gonna be. I wanna write my name. What kind of name is this? Can you guys read this? It's actually Mika. Oh, I need to hear it. It's Mika. Okay, let's get it. That's too much. Alright, so I need to open this. Oh my goodness, it's too hot. Okay, let's try this. Ooh. I hope it's all well. Down. Put some, maybe 30 minutes. 30 minutes and 160 something degrees over there. Put a little bit. Okay, so I'll wait for like 30 minutes and everything will be fine. I'll show you guys the end result of this cake. I'm pretty sure you love it, but I'm not gonna let this go alone. That's so good. All right, so 30 minutes are done. And let me see how it looks like. Okay, jajang. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that thing. This is
Oh, it's good.
this is my name there. My name was Mika. Oh my goodness. So I need to test. Do you have toothpick? That's it.
That's chocolate?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Guys, I have a little surprise for you, and we can do this as a challenge as well. All right, I just baked cake for the first time in Korea. My mom, she taught me a long time ago when I was a little baby, but I never did this before. But today I baked for the first time, and I'm gonna show you guys how it is. And I want to challenge everybody out there. I don't need to tag your names, but I can challenge everybody right now. Go and do something like this, all right? If you can. It wasn't easy, but thank God. Okay, here we go. Let's see how it looks like. Oh. This is the cake, people. My mom, she always taught me how to make it. By the way, these dots here, I was trying to write my name. If you can see, like you have M here, 1, 2, me. I was trying to write my name, Mika. Yeah. I just want to annoy GP, you know. Feel like GP is eating me. So that he may not eat this cake. I may eat alone. What kind of brother I am. So here we go, people. Alright, I'll flip it over, show you guys how it looks like. My mom, she always use this one, pepper, to actually keep it until the next morning for the breakfast. So I'll do the same thing. Still here. Show you guys. This is the cake. Let's try to see. Oh. Let's try to see. Woo! Alright, I'll show you guys. This is how it looks like. Flip it over. Yes! Okay, now let me try to break it into 2 pieces. Show you guys how it looks like. Let me try to break it. Just 1 piece, maybe a small piece here. Somebody wanna try this? Please, I don't accept any guests in my house now. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Oh my goodness. This is my mom's. I want to see my mom. All right, let's see what JP thinks. Let's see. JP, you gotta give this a try. All right, and tell me honestly. Tell me honestly what you think. All right, take a bite. Okay, it's JP trying my. Go ahead.
My muscle.
Go ahead and try. What kind of your muscle is that?
That's like the thing we eat in Africa. That's good.
Exactly. It's not the thing, cake.
This is different. No, I hate Korean cake, but this is cool.
Yeah, this is African cake. It's amazing. Oh my goodness.
Thank you for cooking it for me.
But I wrote my name on it. You're gonna eat my name. He don't care. Wow, it's so good.
No, I hate Korean cake, but this is cool.
Yeah, this is African cake. It's amazing. Oh my goodness.
Thank you for cooking it for me.
But I wrote my name on it. You're gonna eat my name. He don't care. Wow, it's so good.